So before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more latest news and update about cryptocurrency market. Now let's see the live price prediction. What's change occur in a TRX crypto in a market? What is in the price of? As you can see here, first of all, the chart of TRX, so it clearly says that the TRX crypto falls down in the market of crypto. As you can see here, there falls down. So it's first of all, it's a dumping period of TRX crypto. So if we see the price of TRX crypto in a market, so it's clear down. $0.064132 is the current price of TRX crypto in the market of last 1 hour. If we see the changes of TRX crypto in the market, as the changes is also a negative 0.21% chance occur in the TRX crypto in the last previous hour. So it tells us that TRX crypto falls down in the market of crypto. Now let's see the current price of TRX crypto. The current price of TRX crypto is $0.063975 is the current price of TRX crypto in the market. That is the live price prediction of last 1 hour. You are watching now on Abby's Tech channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more latest news and update about cryptocurrency market.